For easy proofing and baking, I'm going to prepare a sheet of parchment paper in a small bowl about the size of my Dutch oven. First, I'm going to tear off a large sheet of parchment paper. And then I'm going to fold it in half, and fold it in half again. And then I'm going to fold it in a wedge shape. Make sure I crease it sharply. Next, I'm going to take a cereal bowl to push the paper down while I go around and fold the natural folds of the paper and fold down the edges to help secure the paper in place. Now it's ready to receive the dough. And now I transfer the dough to the paper-lined bowl. To transfer the dough to the hot Dutch oven safely, I just use the parchment paper as a hoist, lifting it from the bowl and placing it in the hot pot. The bread is done. Now all that's left to do is to remove it from the hot Dutch oven and place on the cooling rack to let it cool off.